British hot tubs have the best type of filtration in the industry. This is called clear zone filtration. In the average hot tub, you will find your filter sitting somewhere in the spa area with you. The filter is essentially the toilet of the tub. It is where all the dirt, body oils, lotions and other environmental debris end up. If the filter is sitting in the bathing area, when you go to clean and change it, you will pull the filter out and everything that is congealed around the filter will float straight back into the spa, contaminating the water, leaving it cloudy and dirty. Disgusting, right? And certainly unappealing. But with British hot tubs, the filter is situated in its own compartment and separate from the bathing area, meaning when the filter is removed for cleaning, it doesn't affect or upset the spa water. The clear zone filtration system by British hot tubs is pressurised with blades at the bottom of the filter that push the water up and clean the entire filter, so it works a bit like a Dyson vacuum. Whereas the average skimmer filtration that sits inside the bathing area can barely clean 3/4 of the filter, so it's a lot less effective. British hot tubs filtration is 80% more effective than the average skimmer filtration and passes strict health and safety guidelines. Our clear zone technology means cleaner, clearer water, less chemical consumption and maintenance, lower running costs, and it is ultimately more hygienic for all bathers. Combined with the clean zone and blaster jet, British hot tubs are the only hot tubs that clean themselves.